In this video, we'll be covering how to add and manage project milestones in teamwork.com, a powerful platform designed to help you organize and track your projects. Whether you're new to teamwork or just getting started with managing projects, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know in just a few minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add milestones, stay on top of your project timelines, and ensure your team is always aligned and on track. Now, before we dive in, if you're new to Teamwork and want to start using it for free, check the first link in the description below. You'll also get exclusive bonuses, so don't miss out on this opportunity to try the software without any commitment. Let's start by understanding what milestones are in the context of project management. Milestones are key checkpoints or major events in your project timeline. They're used to mark progress and help keep your team focused on the bigger picture. In Teamwork, milestones are essential for tracking your project's critical achievements and ensuring that you're hitting your deadlines. To add a milestone in Teamwork, first, navigate to the project you're working on. From the project's dashboard, go to the Milestones tab. Click on Add Milestone to create a new milestone. A pop-up window will appear where you can fill in the name of the milestone, select the target date, and add a description to give your team more context. You can also assign milestones to specific team members, which helps everyone know their responsibilities in meeting that goal. This is a great way to ensure accountability and smooth project execution. Once you've added your milestone, it will appear on the project timeline, giving you a visual representation of the key events you need to focus on. Now, managing your milestones is just as important. From the Milestone tab, you can easily update the status of your milestones. You can mark a milestone as complete once it's achieved, or if things change, you can edit the milestone to adjust the target date or other details. This makes it easy to keep everything current and transparent. A great feature within Teamwork is the ability to visualize your milestones through the project's Gantt chart. If you're someone who prefers to see the bigger picture, this feature is invaluable. The Gantt chart shows your milestones, tasks, and timelines in a visual format, helping you track your project's overall progress at a glance. This is especially useful when you're working with large teams and multiple milestones across different projects. Another tip to make managing milestones easier is to set reminders. Teamwork allows you to set up notifications for upcoming milestones or tasks, which ensures nothing slips through the cracks. This helps you stay ahead of deadlines and keeps your team on track. To make the most of milestones in Teamwork, remember to break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable ones. This makes hitting those milestones more achievable and keeps your team motivated along the way. Finally, if you're looking for more ways to optimize your use of milestones, consider integrating other tools within Teamwork. For example, you can link milestones with tasks, assign subtasks, and even track time against each milestone to gain deeper insights into your team's performance. Teamwork offers an extensive suite of features that will help you stay organized and efficient. Remember, you can use Teamwork completely free by signing up through the link in the description. You'll get access to exclusive bonuses to help you maximize your project management efforts. That's it for this quick guide on how to add and manage project milestones in teamwork.com. By now, you should be confident in using milestones to track your project progress, keep your team aligned, and stay on top of deadlines. If you want to dive deeper into how Teamwork can streamline your workflow, don't forget to grab your free trial through the link below. Happy project managing!